All right, Kevin Kelly here. What I gotta do, what happened one day is that while sitting in the driver's seat, I readjusted my pants and I pushed back. And when I pushed back, I heard this pop. And all of a sudden, I lost all my back support. So I took it to the dealer for regular maintenance, and I had them look at this the driver's seat as far as like the support, back support. So they told me that it was going to cost $1,000 to do this job. They was talking about reupholstering the seat, this, that, and the other, and I'm like, that sounds kind of crazy to me. So just doing a little bit of research online, I watched somebody install an entertainment center in the same car, and they had to take this cover off. So first of all, I didn't see any videos as far as taking off this cover, and I knew you had to pull and pull it down. So basically it goes up in there like that, but I was trying to pull, and come to find out, you have these little clips on here, and eventually I just went and got a screwdriver and started pushing it up, and the one side came out, and I was like, oh, I'm onto something here. So then I stuck a screwdriver in the other side, that came out, and lo and behold, this freaking thing came off. So that's how you take this freaking back cover off the seat. So anyway, so back to the dealer, they said it was gonna cost $1,000. So, I started looking online. I'm like, to see if I could just find a whole upper seat, and so then, I found those, and, they were pretty decent prices, 100 and change, this, that, and the other. So I was like, all right, cool. So then I couldn't find my pattern. I couldn't find the same pattern that my seat has. So I don't know what specifically is so special about my seat, but I know I got the air-cooled seats. I'm like, well, I really don't need all that. All I need is like the inside. So I saw a few that had, this part right here on it, and I'm like, well, I don't know if that's what I need, but anyway. So research, and so then I finally found this mechanism. Okay, this whole complete system here, and I was like, well, that's what I need. So lo and behold, I found the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, I think it's somewhat like that. Okay, along with my bags that I need. Okay, for $50. $50. So I hope it's going to be pretty simple to swap it out, because basically I'm just taking the bag out off of this and taking that bag out and putting this bag in. That's what I'm going to do. $50 darn dollars. So needless to say, I'm going to get to work. I got a big screwdriver, and I got some little screwdrivers here, and I got some dikes, small and large, and I got a pair of needle nose pliers, and I got some freaking tie wraps if I need them. So here we go. So what I was thinking is that so I didn't know there were like 2 individual bags. Okay, 2 individual bags, And as a matter of fact, only one of mine's broke. So that could be why the whole system is leaking. So maybe all I gotta do is just change the top. So you know what? Being that these two bags are the same, I just gotta make sure I got two bags, so I'm just gonna change the top bag and see what happens. All right. So anyway, so in order to remove that bag, you have these little clips. So you just come out like that. So I'm gonna take, is that yellow? That's yellow. You know, honestly, I don't think it makes a freaking difference. Because both bags look the freaking same. Let's see, it's got a hole, it's got the same hole. Yeah, both bags are the freaking same, so I'm not gonna worry about which bag I take. All I want to do is fix my seat because I miss having that support on your back. Because believe me, once it's gone, you feel all the insides of the chair. So let's see. Can you see? Easy pulling this thing off. Some needle nose. I thought I can slip it right here. I'm thinking I could just cut it. I'm back. So I got one bag off, and what I did was, instead of using up all the recording trying to, you know, get one bag off that thing, I used the heat gun. I heat up the tube a little bit, and then I use a pair of dikes to see if I can push it away from the connection, and then I actually just pulled on it, and then it came off. So I'm gonna do that here. I'm gonna use my heat gun on this yellow tube right here, okay? And I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna see if I can slowly like pull it off, and I'll get back to you. Okay, use my heat gun, and there you go. I was able to pull the holes off. Okay, so the only other tab that's holding the bag in is this one right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop that out, okay? And I think my idea was to kind of roll it, but we'll just take it out like this. And there you go. I tried to put some temporary tape on it to try to seal it up, but that didn't work for me. So here's a new one. All right, it's the freaking same. So good. All right. So I'm gonna slide this down in here. And I'm gonna maneuver it this way. Work that down there. That in position. Right there. All right. That's right there. This one here. I'm just trying to think what's. Over. What I'm trying to do is make sure the bladder is over the one that's down here. So pushing it down. And then push this one. Like so. And I think it's good. The other one still has air in it, so that's probably why. And that's it. Make sure it's all good all the way. Ta-da! $1,000 worth of freaking parts and labor. All right, I'm gonna stop my car and work my chair. Okay. All right, y'all. So a little bit closer look. If you can see down in here, you can see that the bag is inflated. So let me tell you, some things, you might have to take it to the shop and get it done. Some things you just gotta try and do yourself. $1,000 job, y'all. I did it myself. $50.